In this video, I'll be showing you how to make your Instagram account private. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now this works exactly the same whether you're on iPhone, Android, or Samsung. So all I want to go ahead and do is open up my Instagram application. It's going to look like this initially. You're going to see different posts and stories on the top, but on the bottom right, you just want to go ahead and click your profile icon. Over here, you can see all your different posts. Now you're going to know that you're a private account because on the top left where it has your username, you're going to have a little lock symbol right there. So what you want to go ahead and do is press those three little lines on the top right, and then it's going to look something like this. Then you want to scroll down until you're in the who can see your content section. Then you just want to go to your account privacy and then make sure your private account is enabled. And now it says only your followers will be able to see your photos and videos, and this won't change who can message, tag, or mention you, and then no one can reuse your content either. So then yeah, just switch to a private account just like that. And if it's not letting you switch to a private account, that might be because you're on a creator account or a professional account. So you basically, if you're on one of those, you have to go to account type and tools and switch back to a personal account. Then when you do that, you're going to see the account privacy option, and then you can go on a private account. And as you can see, I have the lock on my name.